to accelerate.
Listen. Can you hear it? Amazing. Shh, it's just beginning. We have more. Fast charging, 40 hours playtime, clear calls, ultra lightweight. This is what we have prepared for you. Remember, we are TaoTronics. Can you hear it?
Can I order a latte? Hey, I have a bribe. Okay, see you later.
Featuring a similar look and feel to the higher-priced models in the line, the ATH M20X has an all-new engineering design and advanced build quality, which combine to deliver a comfortable listening experience. Incorporating 40mm drivers with rare earth magnets, the ATH M20X's audio response is tuned for enhanced low-frequency performance, appealing to the listener who wants more solid bass in their sound without sacrificing overall response. Now offering a circumaural ear cup design for superior sound isolation, the ATH M20X ear cups swivel 15 degrees, allowing for a more comfortable fit, and one ear cup can be folded outward for one-ear DJ-style monitoring. Incorporating a 10-foot permanently attached single-side exit cable with an 1/8-inch TRS connector, the ATH M20X headphones include a snap-on 1/4-inch adapter, allowing them to work with a wide array of audio equipment. Ideal as an affordable tracking room headphone, the ATH M20X are a great choice for the first-time recordist, classroom, podcaster, home studio, and casual listening. ATH M20X, a great introduction with an affordable price. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.
Discover Sony's new WHCH700N wireless noise-cancelling headphones with a long battery life and easy wireless control and connectivity. Sony's high-performance digital noise cancellation lets you block out unwanted noise and relax with your music. Press the button to activate artificial intelligence noise cancellation, which adapts to your environment, analyzing background noise and adjusting for optimal performance in different environments, including aeroplanes. The swivel flat design is ideal for easy packing when you travel. There's up to 35 hours of battery life, which is rechargeable via USB. When you're in a hurry, the quick charging facility gives you up to an hour of battery life from just 10 minutes of charging time. Enjoy quick and seamless streaming via Bluetooth technology. There's easy one-touch pairing with NFC-enabled devices. These headphones are compatible with the Headphones Connect app, which lets you tune your headphones according to your preferences. Use your smartphone to adjust audio levels, digital sound field modes, and presets. Thanks to built-in Virtual Phones technology, you can even simulate a variety of different listening environments, including outdoor stage, club, concert hall, and arena. Relax and enjoy the freedom of wireless listening and digital noise cancellation with Sony's new WH-CH700N headphones.